Well, today in Rusted and Restored, we have a beautiful 1 year only 1954 GMC. If you'll look, it's different than the 53s and everything before. It has these little mustaches there, they call them. This thing has a 235 inline 6. This is a deluxe cab. You can tell by the trim on the window. And it also came with a 5-window option. It's a short box. And it has new bed floor in it and strapping. It's really nice all the way around. It does run and drive, of course. It's actually got all new brakes all the way around, and does have new ignitions, new seat, new rubber matting, perfect floor as you can see by the pictures. It's got a new headliner, new door panels. It's also had the engine went through. This vehicle is still a 6-bolt. And it is still the original 3 on the tree, which is pretty neat. Shifting pattern that you don't see very often. This car has no rust at all. Truck has no rust at all. Let's start it. Of course, you turn the key, and then it actually has a foot pedal to start. This truck starts right up and has no issues at all. So thanks for watching this video, and subscribe, and maybe you'll like what we have to offer. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.